just love to see you cry.
Hello dear people, thank you for joining me. Today I'll be showing you how I tie my turbans. I'll show you 5 simple styles that are classy and very nice and just cool and easy to make, so that when you are going out with your friends, when you have a bad hair day, when you just want to switch up things from this look to the turban look, when you are wearing that kitenge, you know, if you come from Africa, you know what I'm talking about, the Ankara fabric. The Wakanda people know exactly what I'm talking about. Forever Wakanda. So this is the thing. If you want to switch it up, if you want to wear that kitenge that is not the very flowery, that's the point. Whenever you're wearing head wraps, please make sure you don't wear. If you're wearing a flowery head wrap, make sure you don't wear a very flowery outfit, because you will be a Peter Marangi on the street, and we don't want that. We want you to be classy, simple and elegant. Try at least to make your clothing one colored. That will make it more attractive, it will make you look classy, it will make you look good, okay dear ones? There's only one Peter Marangi, and we only want to see him in our TVs when he's advertising paints. So please ensure that you choose one colored turban, or if it has colors, maintain a plain color with your clothes. Without further ado, here goes everything. Stick around. In case you haven't subscribed and you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe, like, comment, tell me the style that you like most among these 5 styles, and if you do try to tie it, tag me on Instagram. My details are on the description box. Tag me, let me see how it turned out. Okay, let's do it. For style number 1, you just need to let your hair loose like this. Take it to the back. And I'll be using this brown turban. It's really long and very big, so I'm going to fold it into 2 like that. Then I'll take it to the back that way. After getting to the back like that, all the way here, almost to the nape of the neck, I'll bring these 2 ends to the front like that, and then try to make this fold over so that I have a clean tie like that. Same case to the other side. Then close them over like that. And before you go in with the rest of this part, make sure that the hair is just where you want it to be. Mine is right where I want it to be, like that. Also, now you're going to go in with twisting. You twist these 2 parts. And then come back here and start rolling. You roll it on top of that end that you had there. Now go in and tuck the fringes that I talked about. Tuck them in. And make sure that your edges are looking fine. There you have it. What do you think of this style? It's a twist, roll and tuck. Looks like that. With this style, you don't need earrings, you don't need a lot of things, you just need your turban and your hair. And if you really like your hair loose like I do, this comes in handy. You can actually still get to tie your hair or make it go to the back like that, and there you have it. That's number 1. So number 2, we are going to use the same turban but a different style. So let's go to number 2. For style number 2, you're going to hold your hair at the back using a band. So for style number 2, you're going to hold your hair like that. Not all the way to the back, to the nape of your head, but somewhere near to the middle. And then I'm going to use this same brown turban. Looks really nice, matches with my hair. And instead of starting from the back, we will start from the front. So go in, fold it if you need to. Don't worry about the runaways so long as you tuck them. And here, you have to make sure that the ends are equal. The lengths are equal, like that. Now go back. Make a knot to secure that. After you make the knot, come back here, and now we are going to twist this. Twist these two ends. Again, secure the ends. Secure the ends. Just tie them together like that. Now you're going to take this twist, like a crown, and we go around that way. That way. Then you're going, oh, that way. You're gonna have your bun up like this, but we will not cover it up. So this is how we do it. I'm using my orange turban, which I also love very much. By now we have established I love all my turbans. So let's do it. We'll start from the back like that. Make sure the lengths are equal. Come over here, cross them over. One time only. Go back. And come back in front. And with this end, you just tuck them and tuck this other one. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you really enjoyed this video. In case you have any comment, any favorite look of those 5 styles that I showed you, any question, comment down below and I'll get back to you. In case you're wondering where I buy these products, please look at the description box because I've put a link down below and it will help you. As for now, it's goodbye from me. I hope you're safe. I hope you keep being safe and I hope to see you next time, God willing. God bless you and bye-bye.